So I think it's not all food safety and quality. It takes a village. I say it probably once a day to someone, that we have to constantly be looking at this with a different set of eyes.
I mean, in essence, it's HACCP, it's preventative controls. It's understanding your equipment. It's about culture and training with your folks. It's about empowering your people on the floor to make sure that when something is not right, they say something.
I think that's a good tool with any team, is to question, well, what would have to be true for that to happen? Okay, so I hear you.
It's not just food safety and quality. You got to have operations, you got to have procurement, you got to have everybody involved. And one of the other things that's becoming more and more common is, not necessarily a cost, but what does it mean long-term downstream?
Whether it's 100 feet a minute or 400 feet per minute, the limitations in detection are based upon the speed, not based upon the detector itself. Because if we slow down and put more photons through the product, we can improve the imaging results, we can improve the detection. And essentially, that's what we're doing at FlexArray.